ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà lápapọ̀ mo kí yín káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì Tenny ọmọ ológo lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹnìjọ́ mo fẹ́ sọ nǹkan kan àwọn ọmọ yín tó wà ní South Sudan tó wà nílùú Sudan lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tí a dẹ̀ gbọ́ wípé oríṣiríṣi àwọn nǹkan ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ńbẹ̀ tí ogun àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ tó dípọn wọ́n ti ń ṣe ìjàmbá fúnra wọn kì í ṣe wípé bóyá ìjà lẹ́yàmẹ̀yà pé bóyá bíi xenophobia tó jẹ́ pé bóyá àwọn tí wọ́n wà bíi ti South Africa tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ń pa dúdú náà àwọn ilé ìjà ìlú wọn ogun ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ nílùú Sudan lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ yín dẹ̀ ti há síbẹ̀ tó jẹ́ wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ wọn lè rí bí jáde wọn láwọn kan ti gbà wọ́n tó jẹ́ pé tán bá rí bí bọ́dà ọ̀dọ̀ wọn bẹ̀ yẹn ṣùgbọ́n wọn náà lé àwọn Ethiopia gba ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà ń fara pa wípé kẹ́ ẹ má jáde ibikíbi tí ẹ bá wà wọ́n ní kẹ́ ẹ dúró nulẹ̀ stay where you are don't move and hate don't move around please tí ó bá jẹ́ wípé n tí èmi lè gbéra láti lè ṣe àǹfààní fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn mo sì lè ní opportunity láti lè rin ìrìn àjò láti lè gbéra ṣùgbọ́n location náà ò ní tí ló dé tó jẹ́ wípé tí wọ́n bá ti ń gbọ́ pé àwọn nǹkan ń ṣẹlẹ̀ fún àwọn ọmọ yín tán pè ní Giant Africa ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní agbára tí nǹkan bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn odi nílùú bòmí ẹ̀ máa ń kó àwọn ọmọ ogun tẹ́ máa ń kó àwọn ọmọ lọ ṣùgbọ́n tẹ́ bá gbọ́ pé nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àwọn ọmọ yín lẹ́yìn bòmí àbí nǹkan kan àwọn ọmọ yín ti há ó yẹ kí ìjọba Nàìjíríà náà lè dìde láti lọ rè máa gbé wọn kúrò níbi tí wọ́n bá wà kí wọ́n má fi ẹ̀mí àwọn ọmọ yẹn ṣòfò àwọn ọmọ tó lọ sílé ìwé àmọ́ tán lọ sí gbogbo bá wádìí náà lọ títí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ tó bá lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn náà àwọn ọmọ gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì náà máa wà nù wọn àwọn ọmọ mọ̀rọ̀kìnní máa wà nù wọn àwọn ọmọ ènìyàn tó jẹ́ wípé àwọn gan tiraka náà máa wà ń bẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n yẹ ká máa ṣe fọ̀ra wa nígbà tí mo rí lóyìn tí Àbíkẹ́ Dábírí tó gbé jáde léèní wípé àwọn ọmọ tó bá wà níléèwé kí wọ́n pé àwọn tó bá wà ní yunifásitì wọn bẹ̀ yẹn wípé kí wọ́n má jáde o wípé kí wọ́n padà sínú iléèwé àwọn tán bọ́ta kan padà sínú iléèwé inú iléèwé gan gbóná inú iléèwé gan ò rọrùn àwọn aráàlú gan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ sí wọn kò dẹrùn so ìdí nìyí tí mo fi sọ fẹ́yìn èèyàn mi wípé àti Àbíkẹ́ Dábírí mo fi ń pariwo sí yín mọ̀mọ́ ẹ wá bí ẹ ṣe máa lọ gbé àwọn ọmọ yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ti máa lọ rescue wọn kúrò níbi tí wọ́n wà tẹ́ bá ní kí wọ́n dúró sínú iléèwé tí wọ́n bá tún lọ ṣèjàmbá fún wọn nínú iléèwé ńkọ́ ẹ̀mí àwọn ọmọ yìí ò balẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ yìí ò safe wọ́n ń sunkún wọ́n ń ké ẹ ṣàánú àwọn abiyamọ ẹ ṣàánú àwọn ọmọ yín ẹ̀yin náà tiẹ̀ máa gbégbèsè ńgbà tẹ́ bá ní kí wọ́n má kúrò lójú kan tẹ́ bá ní kí wọ́n wà níbẹ̀ ibi tẹ́ bá wà tó gún bá tún lọ ká wọn mọ́ ibi tán wà nǹkan ńgbà tẹ́ bá gbégbèsè Ọlọ́run ni kó ṣàánú àwọn ọmọ àdúrà ní ká máa fi ran àwọn ọmọ wa lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ tó wà ń bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àdúrà ní ká fi ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ torí pé n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Sudan lọ́wọ́ kò rẹrùn ni mo fi ń pariwo fún wọn tó wà ní Nàìjíríà pé ẹ̀kú.
There's a terrible war happening in Khartoum, Sudan actually, and it's always getting worse by the day. So the day before yesterday, we flew from Khartoum, me and my family, because my sister was sick and there are no hospitals. We flew from Khartoum and we came to the border. On our way, we saw a lot of Sudanese fleeing Khartoum. What of us, the Nigerian students? The day before yesterday, by 10 o'clock p.m., at night, we reached the border of Ethiopia and Sudan in Galabat. We slept there, and yesterday, we entered the border, the immigration office of Sudan. And they said they are going to stamp the exit visas for us, Sudanese border. And then the Ethiopian border, they told us they are not going to let us pass unless we have our visa to enter Ethiopia, and we don't have it. The Nigerian embassy in Sudan is really trying their best. We talked to them, they sent a letter for us. And then the people at the border said they are not going to let us pass unless it's a visa. So they sent us back to Gadarif, which is another location near the border. We went to the consulate and we asked for the visa, and they said they are not going to stamp visa for us. They are only stamping it for Sudanese. So, Al-Muhim, right now we are stranded in Gadarif. Alhamdulillah, for the Sarkin Hausawa, Ambassador Hashim Shaib Usman, he connected us with the Sarkin Hausawa of Gadarif, May Martaba Harun At-Tahir Al-Abbakar the 6th at Gadarif right now. And he gave us accommodation, as you can see. Hotels are not available. He took us in like his children. He fed us. He gave us place to sleep, a very peaceful place. Right now, today is our 3rd day. We've applied online visa. They said it's not going to come out any soon because of the holiday, of the Eid holiday. So we are basically stranded at the border. Us, at least here, it's peaceful. But we are hoping to cross the border, inshallah. Our sisters and brothers, especially our sisters, they are stranded in Khartoum. Khartoum is turning into a battlefield. Since we left Khartoum, they have been calling us about bomb blasts, bullets entering people's house. Ladies are crying. There's no food, there's no water, there's no shelter, there's no food. Because the shelter is not safe. Bullets will literally come into your house and kill you. So they are stranded there. Our sisters are IUA hostel. Our sisters all over Khartoum, the Nigerian students are stranded in Khartoum. They can't move. And please, if you are in Khartoum, don't move out. Don't go out alone. It's very serious and very risky. You should go out, in case you have to go out, maybe for food or something, go out in groups. Don't go out alone. Please, the government should try. Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the embassy, they are really trying their best. Please try your best. Maybe the embassy of Nigerians in Ethiopia, they should try and let us pass the border. They should try and let us pass the border. And they should also try, our sister, if to say we pass the border, we are only 7 Nigerians. What of our sisters and brothers in Khartoum? Wallahi, I'm worried about them because they are still at the battlefield. They are still there. And every minute is critical. Every single minute is critical. Yesterday night, I read that they broke out prisoners in Khartoum. So the street is not safe at all. And they are looting, they are thieves. They are also hungry, so they will take advantage of anyone, especially the sisters. Dua is the only thing keeping us alive right now. Alhamdulillah, nobody was badly injured in the Nigerian students. The Somalians, we met them at the border day before yesterday. Syrians are also here. Everyone is fleeing away from Khartoum. Malawians are leaving. Only our Nigerian students, this is bad. Khartoum is not safe at all. Urging with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the embassy, they should connect, even if our university, they can use National University of Africa's buses and take students out of Khartoum. That is my suggestion. Because here, the Sergeant Hausawa of Gadarif, he's a really, really nice person. He said he has accommodation for as many people as possible. We were with him, the government are calling him for his guest house, and he's saying his guest house is for the Nigerian students. He's waiting for people to come here so that he can shelter them before their visa, before our embassy or our ministries or our government try and take us out. So right now, today is my 3rd day at the border. If to say we did not make the Sergeant Hausawa of Gadarif, we are basically stranded. There's no hotel, nothing. And we have spent a lot of money. My worries are the people at Khartoum. Some of them, they don't have even $10. We've spent a lot of money, mind you. Some people, they don't have even $10. Some people have money, their passport is expired. Some people, their passport is at the immigration office for residence permit, and the immigration office is closed. So some people have no passport. So what's the way out? If you are watching this video, please share it, repost it, make it viral. We really, really need your help, and we really, really need your prayer. Yesterday, you guys were celebrating Eid. We were here fighting for our life, fighting and praying. Please, we need your prayers. As I said earlier, we are stranded here, and we need a way out. We need visa, we need connection, anything with the border of Ethiopia. If we leave, there's hope for our sisters and our brothers. Thousands of Nigerians are there at Khartoum. They can pass through our roads. We are not trying to be selfish. We are not like just talking about ourselves. Honestly, my concern are with the people in Khartoum. They can't leave Khartoum, and we are hoping they leave Khartoum and leave. So if we pass, a lot of people have hope. Please help us. Jiya da dare wasu suna ta min magana daga Khartoum suna cewa ba su da abinci, wutar su ta kare, ba su da ruwa. Yanzu an ɗauke network, ta yaya za a ce su taho inda za a haɗu a tafi da mu, sai an bar wani a baya. Dole don Allah, don Annabi, ayi abin da za a yi, don Allah. Wallahi ba mu da lokaci. Ni ina bakin boda, in na samu zan iya wucewa, amma 'yan uwana suna can cikin yunwa, ishirwa. Ba abinci suna nan. Ban sani ko su kashe su ma ni. Ban sani ba, sojoji ne akan titi, sojoji ba su da imani, komai zai iya faru. In ba a yafi yanzu ba, na rantse da Allah, ko ba za sai an manta wani. Ba mu da lokaci, dan Allah ku taimake mu, ba dan halin mu ba. Ko ba kwa san mu, ku yi mana dan Allah, dan Annabi, dan Allah. Yanzu ya ake fama da shi, ban ta aka ɗauke yanzu, wala mun shiga uku. Za su kashe mu. Shari'a masifa ce, mun fi kowa yawa, mun fi kowa gata. An Malawi ma ba su da embassy, an zo an ɗauke su, an ɗauki kowa, sai mu kaɗai a Khartoum. Kowa ya san Najeriya muna da kuɗi, da an ga mu karrama mu ake, amma mu ne aka bari na ƙarshe. Na ƙarshe kowa ya gudu, sai mu, saboda mu ne ba mu da gata. Allah kana gani, ka kawo mana ɗauki. Wallahi tallahi, ko na yi crossing border, hankali na bare taɓa kwanciya ba. 'Yan uwana suna ce wannan wace iriyar musifa ce. Na Allah ya kokari, ba dan halin mu ba, wallahi mun ji ko ba a san mu, a taimaka mana abin humanity. Iyayen mu suna ci, hankalin su ya tashi. Allah da Allah ba a taimaka mana don Allah wallahi ba mu da lokaci Allah ba mu da lokaci Allah jan annabi in kuna kallon bidiyon na